Okay, so this video or set of videos are going to be a visual representation of what I was talking about in my research essay, or research topic I mean, which is how to make a competitive team in Pokemon, because I can guarantee that basically nobody in this class knew what I was talking about. So I am going to use my Blastoise for an example, which is right here. But first, I want to talk about the IVs and typings. So I'm going to use my Glaceon as an example. So my Glaceon is an ice type up there. So right here, Glaceon is an ice type. That's what I said before. And under it, you have the 6 stats, which are hit points, attack, defense, special attack, special defense, and speed. Those are decent, pretty good, decent, fantastic, pretty good. Those stand, so basically every one of those stands for a number of what that IV is. It can be a max of 31, but I don't know what the exact number is, if it's decent, pretty good, or... But basically that wouldn't be a good competitive Pokemon due to the IVs. But if I go to my Blastoise for an example, as you can see, it is water type, and it has 5 out of 6, 5 out of 6 IVs that are maxed out, which means it can't go any higher. So the HP best, attack best, defense best, and special attack best. Then speed is pretty good. I can get that to max by using a bottle cap and the hyper training place. So now let me go into the summary to show you the EVs. So if I go over here, so right here it tells you the ability that this Pokemon has, which is Torrent, which boosts the power of water type moves when the HP is low. Then this screen right here just shows you the numbers of the IVs, well, basically not the IVs, but the stats in general. So this is going to be basically what the total stat amount is. So now, something that also boosts the stat, which I talked about in my essay, is the nature. So I am modest on my Blastoise, which is the number one most used nature. And if I go back to the stats, the red, which is special attack, which is in red, like I said before, that shows that modest boosts special attack, and attack, which is in blue, that's what decreases. But if I press X on here, these are my EVs. So you see that speed and special attack is... So speed and special attack are shining, which means that those are at the max EV that can get. I don't know what exactly else the rest of my EVs are, so I can't really give a good information on that. But that's basically how EVs and IVs work. So now let's go to my moves. So I run 2 damaging moves, which are Muddy Water and Flash Cannon. Muddy Water right here, it says it's a water type move, and that little circle shows that it's a special attacker. Well, not a special attacker, but a special attack, which means the special attack stat for my Blastoise will affect how much damage Muddy Water does. Then for a coverage move, I have Flash Cannon, which is a steel type, and as you can see, special again. So then I decided to run Shell Smash, which lowers my defense, and special defense, which I'm not worried about, because I want this to be a fast attacker that tries to kill everybody else the other team's Pokemon in a good manner. So I'm not worried about having it be longevity. So that's basically what it is. It lowers my defense and special defense and raises my attack, special attack, and speed stat. So then I just run Protect, which I already went in depth to in my essay about what I was researching. So then for the held items, I don't really have a held item, but I'll use my wine goal as an example. This was when I was very young, so I do apologize, Mr. Kind, for the inappropriate name. But down here it says it has a damp rock, which boosts the duration of rain, which its ability is drizzle, not drizzle. I'm going to basically just use an item that changes the stats or ability, to do that. So that is an example, but drizzle will basically set rain up when Wine enters the field. So that's basically all about the visual example, but this place right here is called the Battle Tower. This is where you can get battle points, and this is basically the place that you use to go and get most of your competitive items. So if I go over here, for example, I have the battle points, which you can